This is general chemistry for this section, stoichiometry. Number one, what is the mass? We are going to calculate the mass of 1 mole of acetyl salicylic acid, the main component in the aspirin. And additionally, we have the formula of this compound. So in this case, we need to determine what is the molar mass of this compound. Basically, in this case, we are going to make 3 steps. In the step number 1, we are going to identify the elements of this compound. I can identify that this compound has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And after this, I need to identify how many atoms of each element. So I need to identify the subscript for each element. The subscript represents the number of atoms in this compound. So as I have number 9 in carbon, it means that I have 9 atoms of carbon, 8 atoms of hydrogen, and 4 atoms of oxygen. And after this, I need to multiply by the molar mass of each element. So if I use the periodic table, I can identify the mass of carbon. The mass of carbon is 12, okay? The mass of carbon, 12. The mass of hydrogen is 1, and the mass of oxygen is 16. After this, I need to multiply 1 by 1. So the result for the first one, for the contribution of carbon, is 108. The contribution of hydrogen is 8 times 1, 8. And the contribution of oxygen, 4 times 16, I have 16, 64. I need to add all of them because represent the contribution of each element to the final formula of the aspirin. So I need to add 8 plus 8 plus 4. I have 0. I have 2. 2 plus 6. I have 8 and 1. So I have 180 grams per each mole. And it represents that over here below of the number 180, I have the number 1. And this number 1 represents that per each mole of this compound, the mass is 180 grams. I can write the final answer like this. 1 mole of this compound has 180 grams of this compound as a mass. So the correct answer for this is D.